Here we will solve a problem from the chapter Mathematical Induction. Here question is, prove by the principle of mathematical induction for all n belonging to the set of natural number capital N. Here statement is 1 plus 1 by 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1 by n is equal to n plus 1. Obviously, your total number of factors is n. This is first factor, this is second factor, this is third factor, this is nth factor. Total number of factors in LHS is n and RHS is n plus 1. We have to prove it by principle of mathematical induction. So, let us see the solution here. Here this mathematical statement is given, and as we know, mathematical statement is denoted by Pn. So, Pn is here 1 plus 1 by 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 3 into up to 1 plus 1 by n. This is n plus 1. Suppose it relation number 1. Okay. So, we can solve this, we can prove it by principle of mathematical induction in 3 steps. First step, we have to show that P1 is true. We will get P1 by putting n is equal to 1 here. Here total number of factors is n, but whenever we will put n is equal to 1, we will take only one factor, first factor, since n is equal to 1. So, let us take first step here. So, we have to show that P1 is true. And how will get P1? By putting n is equal to 1 here. So, putting n is equal to 1 in relation number 1. Correct? And as I told you, here total number of factors is n. But since we are putting n is equal to 1, so we have to take only first factor. So, here P1 is 1 plus 1 by 1. This is left hand side, and right hand side here also we will put n is equal to 1. This is 1 plus 1. So, we have to prove it, we have to show it. Or in left hand side you see this is 1 plus 1, which is 2. In right hand side 1 plus 1 is 2. That is LHS is equal to RHS. It means P1 is true. Therefore, P1 is true. Now, second step, we will assume that PR is true. Assuming PR is true. How will get PR? By putting n is equal to r in relation number 1. So, putting n is equal to r in relation number 1, we will get PR here. So, PR will be here in place of n, we will put r. So, this is 1 plus 1 by 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 3 up to 1 plus 1 by r, and this is r plus 1. Call it relation number 2. This is second step, assuming it. And third step, we have to show that PR plus 1 is true. So, we will put here n is equal to r plus 1 in relation number 1. So, putting n is equal to r plus 1 in relation number 1. When we are putting n is equal to r plus 1, total number of factors will be r plus 1. Okay? Since we are putting n is equal to r plus 1. So, here P r plus 1 is 1 plus 1 by 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1 by r into 1 plus 1 by r plus 1. Correct? Up to n is equal to r plus 1. And right hand side will be r plus 1 plus 1. R plus 1 plus 1 means this is r plus 2. So we have to prove here LHS is equal to RHS. Then we will be able to say that P r plus 1 is true. Okay. So let us start solving it with LHS. So here LHS is 1 plus 1 by 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1 by r into 1 plus 1 by r plus 1. Up to this much factors, you see, we can write r plus 1 by relation number 2. So up to this much factors, we can write r plus 1 by relation number 2. So this is r plus 1. And last factor is 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus r. Let us simplify it. Okay. 1 by r plus 1 or 1 plus r. So write r plus 1 here. It is better to write r plus 1. Okay. So this is r plus 1 and here LCM will be r plus 1 and 1 into r plus 1 is r plus 1 plus 1 is r plus 2. Correct? This r plus 1 will be cancel out. So we are getting this is equal to r plus 2, which is right hand side here. So therefore we are getting LHS is equal to RHS. That is P r plus 1 is true. So third step is over here. Here we are showing that P r plus 1 is true. And at the last we have to write one line statement here that therefore by the principle of mathematical induction, by the principle of mathematical induction, this Pn is true for all n, is true for all n. So proved. We got the result finally. So solution is very systematic and very simple, very interesting. So hope you have got it properly, and I will advise you to do some more practice from this topic. You see some more problems. Question is very interesting in this chapter, in this exercise. Okay, so please do some more problems, and you will have a good command over this topic. Thank you very much for watching this video. Wish you all the best.